Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. D. I am sitting at home wearing my favorite color, which is purple, because today is Wear Your Favorite Color Day for our Spirit Days. So I wanted to make a quick video, and I thought I would read you Ready Freddy Easter Egg Hunt. Okay, so let's see what Freddy gets into today. It was 1 week until Easter. I was shopping with my mom and I saw a sign. The Easter egg hunt prize is a huge chocolate bunny. This year I'm going to win it. Maybe you will, said my mom. Oh, I hope I do, I said. The week went by really slowly. It seemed like Saturday would never come. I waited and waited and waited. Finally, it came. On Saturday morning, I jumped out of bed. I pulled my Easter basket out of my closet. I made an extra big one this year. It has to hold a lot of eggs because I'm going to win that grand prize. I called for my sister Susie. Susie! What? Susie shouted. Can you come here for a second? Susie walked slowly into my room. What do you want, shark breath? She said. I was sleeping and you woke me up. I need your help to win, I said. What makes you think you're going to win? I really want to, I said. But what about Max? Susie asked. You mean the biggest bully in the whole first grade? I asked. Yes, him. He beats you in everything. He wins because he cheats, I said. But this year I'm going to beat him. Now that you're too old to go on the hunt, can you help me? Only if you share some of that chocolate bunny with me, Susie said. But, deal, Susie asked, holding up her pinky for a pinky swear. Fine, deal, I said, and we locked pinkies. Last year you found the most eggs. Tell me where they hide them, I said. Usually they hide a bunch of eggs in the sandbox and at the top of the slide, my sister said. Thanks, Susie. You're the best sister in the whole world. I know, Susie said, smiling. Good luck, Freddy. Go beat Max. A little later, we went to the park. All the kids were there with their baskets. Chloe's basket had pink ribbons and bows all over it. Jessie had baseballs and baseball cards in her basket. Robbie had a basket with little plastic animals on it. Cool basket, I said to Robbie. Thanks, he said. I like your basket too. My basket was decorated with shark teeth and sharks because I love sharks. Okay, everybody, a lady called. It's time to start the hunt. I looked around, but I didn't see Max. Maybe it was my lucky day. Maybe Max wasn't coming. But Max ran up. Wait for me, he yelled. He was carrying the biggest basket I had ever seen. You're just in time, said the lady. Great, said Max. Then he turned to me and whispered, I'm going to beat you again, Freddy. Just watch. Don't listen to him, said Jessie and Robbie. We know you can beat him. Then the lady said, whoever finds the most eggs will win the huge chocolate bunny. Is everybody ready? The lady yelled. Yes, we all shouted. On your mark, get set, go. We all ran. I found 3 eggs right away. 1 was under a bench. 2 were hidden in a bush. But when I was in the sandbox, Max took 1 from my basket. Hey, you can't do that, I yelled. This silly headphone. Hey, you can't do that, I yelled. Oh, yeah, watch me, he said. He ran off. Cheater, I yelled after him. Don't worry, said Jessie. Cheaters never win. I had to find more eggs. I didn't want Max to win. I went back to the sandbox and found 6 more eggs. I found 2 by the water fountain, 4 at the top of the slide, and 1 by the old tree. Time's up, the lady yelled. Bring your baskets to me. She counted Max's eggs first. 14 eggs. Wow, that's a lot. I'm going to win, said Max, smiling. The lady counted the eggs in the other baskets. No one had as many as Max. My basket was the last one. Good luck, whispered Jessie. "11, 12, 13, 14." I held my breath. She reached in the basket and pulled out 1 more. 15. I jumped up and down. I won! I won! It's not fair, Max mumbled. It's very fair, said Jessie. Cheaters never win. Congratulations, Freddy, said the lady. You win the grand prize. She handed me the huge chocolate bunny, and I licked my lips. Thanks, I said. This is the best Easter ever. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that. If you'd like, leave a comment below the post to tell me your favorite part of the story. And maybe we'll do some more read alouds like this.